You do not need a rich family, a big loan, or some secret trick to start making money. In fact, some of the best ways to make money begin when you are broke, because having no money forces you to think smarter, move faster, and use what you already have. Number 1. Start with what you already own. When people hear make money, they often think they need money first, but that is usually false. Most beginners already own something useful: a phone, a laptop, a bicycle, a skill. Even free time can become an asset. For example, if you have a phone with a decent camera, you can offer simple photo editing, product photos for small sellers, or short video clips for local businesses. If you have a bicycle, that could help you deliver food or packages. If you have a laptop, that opens the door to online tasks: writing, design, research, or customer support work. The first step is simple. Make a list of what you already have before you think about what you lack. Number 2. Sell a skill, not a product. Products usually cost money to create. Skills usually do not. That is why beginners with no money should start with service work. You are not trying to build a giant company on day one. You are trying to create cash flow, fast. That could mean babysitting, dog walking, yard work, tutoring, video editing, writing captions, making resumes, or helping people organize their email inbox. A teenager who knows basic math might tutor middle school students. A person who is good at Canva can make simple social media posts for a local shop. A good cleaner can offer home cleaning to busy families. Skills are the fastest bridge between being broke and getting paid. Number 3. Solve small problems people hate. Big money often starts with small, annoying problems. People pay to save time, avoid stress, or stop doing things they dislike. Think about common pain points: dirty cars, messy garages, uncut grass, confusing paperwork, dogs that need walking, parents who need help after school, small business owners who do not want to answer messages. If you solve a painful problem, people care less about your background and more about results. A person who offers to clean trash bins, wash cars, or help older adults with basic phone setup can start with almost no money. Do not chase fancy ideas first. Chase useful ones. Number 4. Start local before you start global. A lot of people waste months trying to become famous online when there is money sitting right in their neighborhood. Local services are easier to start because trust is easier to build. People can meet you. They can ask neighbors about you. They can see your work with their own eyes. For example, someone with no money could start by offering lawn mowing, pet sitting, house cleaning, or grocery pickup in their area. One good customer can lead to 3 more. A local Facebook group, community board, church group, or neighborhood chat can become your first marketing channel. You do not need millions of views. You need your first paying customer. Number 5. Use free platforms like a business. No money does not mean no tools. Today, free platforms can do a lot of heavy lifting. You can use Facebook Marketplace to sell unused items. You can use Craigslist or local groups to offer services. You can use Canva free tools to make flyers. You can use Gmail for outreach. You can use Google Docs to create a simple service list. You can use free payment apps to get paid. The mistake beginners make is treating free tools casually. Use them like a real business. Write clearly, reply quickly, show up on time, follow up politely. That alone puts you ahead of many people. Number 6. Flip what you can get cheap or free. This is one of the oldest money moves in the world. Find something underpriced, improve it, sell it for more. People give away furniture, lamps, mirrors, bikes, books, and home items all the time. Some want fast pickup, some are moving, some simply want space back. Imagine someone finds a free chair, cleans it, tightens a few screws, takes better photos, and sells it for $35. That is not glamorous, but repeat that a few times and now you have seed money. Then you can flip slightly bigger items. The key is to stay honest. Do not hide damage. Do not lie about brands. Clean it well. Take clear photos. Price fairly. Number 7. Turn one customer into many. The first customer matters more than the first 1,000 views. Why? Because one happy customer can lower your future effort. If you mow one lawn well, ask if the neighbor needs help too. If you tutor one student, ask the parent if they know another family. If you clean one apartment well, ask for a short written review. Word of mouth is powerful because trust is already built for you. In many small service businesses, referrals drive a huge share of new work. That means every job is not just money, it is marketing too. Your first customer should never be the end of the job. They should be the start of your network. Number 8. Do not wait to feel ready. A lot of people stay broke because they stay in practice mode forever. They watch videos, they make plans, they take notes, but they never ask anyone to pay them. You do not need perfect confidence. You need action. Your first flyer will not look amazing. Your first message might feel awkward. Your first job might be small. That is normal. Confidence usually comes after action, not before it. A person who offers 5 services this week learns more than someone who spends 6 months getting ready. Start before you feel fully prepared. Number 9. Price for a beginner, then improve. Many people with no money also have no experience. That is okay. Just be honest about it and price accordingly. You do not need to be the cheapest forever, but in the beginning, a fair beginner price can help you get your first few reviews and build proof. For example, if experienced house cleaners in your area charge much more, you might start with a simpler package at a lower entry price. If you are editing short videos, maybe you begin with one short clip instead of a full package. The goal at first is not to maximize profit on one job. The goal is to build skill, trust, and momentum. Number 10. Learn one marketable skill for free. If you truly feel like you have nothing to sell, build one simple skill. Not 10, one. Good beginner options include basic video editing, simple graphic design, writing product descriptions, social media posting, data entry, tutoring, or basic bookkeeping support. Many of these can be learned through free videos, free practice tools, and repetition. A person who spends 30 days learning beginner video editing can often find small paid work faster than someone who spends 30 days dreaming about becoming rich. Pick one skill that businesses or busy people already pay for, then get good enough to be useful. Number 11. Protect your time from fake opportunities. When people are desperate for money, they become easier targets. That is dangerous. Be careful with anything that asks you to pay first, recruit friends, buy expensive courses, or promises huge money with almost no work. If something sounds magical, it usually is not real. A real income path usually looks boring at first. Small jobs, slow improvement, better reviews, more referrals, higher rates later. That may not sound exciting, but it is stable, legal, and real beats fake every time. Number 12. Keep expenses tiny in the beginning. When your first money comes in, it is tempting to spend it fast. New clothes, better gear, fancy logos, paid ads, business cards you do not need. Do not do that too early. If you make your first $100 from a service, ask yourself what will help you earn the next $300. Maybe cleaning supplies, maybe gas money, maybe a simple ring light, maybe nothing at all. A lot of small businesses fail because they start spending before they start earning consistently. Protect your early cash like it is oxygen. Number 13. Stack income streams slowly. Once one small income stream works, then you can add another, not before. Maybe you start with lawn care, then you add junk removal. Maybe you begin with tutoring, then you sell study guides. Maybe you start editing videos, then you offer thumbnail design. This is how small money grows. One stream gives you breathing room. 2 streams give you stability. 3 streams can start changing your life. But stacking works best when it happens in order, not all at once. Number 14. Use your job to fund your escape plan. Some people hate hearing this, but sometimes the fastest way to make money with no money is to get a basic job first. Not forever, just as a launch pad. A part-time retail job, warehouse shift, restaurant job, or delivery job can create the first small pile of cash you need. Then that money can fund tools, transportation, certifications, or a tiny side hustle. Think of a job as your investor. It gives you fuel. Then your side income becomes your freedom plan. There is no shame in using one income source to build another. Number 15. Reinvest in proof, not in hype. When money finally starts coming in, reinvest in things that help people trust you more. That could be better before and after photos, a simple page showing your services, better tools that improve results, a few strong testimonials, cleaner branding, faster response time. Proof makes selling easier. Hype does not. A cleaner with photos of spotless kitchens sells faster. A tutor with 2 real parent reviews sells faster. A video editor with 3 sample clips sells faster. People do not buy promises, they buy proof. Number 16. Your first goal is not wealth, it is momentum. This is the part many people miss. The first $50 matters. Then the first $200. Then the first month where you realize, wait, I did this myself. That moment changes you. Because once you know how to create money on command, even in a small way, you stop feeling helpless. You stop waiting for rescue. You stop thinking money only comes from luck. That is the secret people are dying to know. The real win is not just the cash, it's becoming the kind of person who knows how to create value from almost nothing.
You do not need money to begin. You need honesty, effort, patience, and a willingness to start small without feeling small. Start with what you have, sell what you can do, solve real problems, keep your costs low, build proof, then let one small win lead to the next. So here's the question. If you had to make your first extra $100 starting this week with no money, what would you do first?